In scientific computing, the fusion of Python and Fortran creates a powerful synergy, transforming simulations with unprecedented efficiency and precision. This hybrid approach sets new standards, enhancing our capabilities to tackle complex challenges. Python brings flexibility and ease of use to our toolkit, with its rich libraries perfect for rapid prototyping and data manipulation. It's essential for adapting quickly to new scientific inquiries. Fortran offers unrivaled speed in numerical computations, making it the backbone for processing large-scale simulations and complex algorithms. Its precision is crucial in fields that demand meticulous data analysis, such as simulations. Combining Python's versatility with Fortran's power allows us to enhance our research capabilities, achieving more accurate results faster and exploring new scientific horizons. F2PY is key to our hybrid system, seamlessly integrating Python and Fortran. This tool optimizes data flow and function execution, boosting our computational efficiency. Our integration of Python and Fortran is setting the stage for potential future breakthroughs. This powerful combination could transform fields from material science to medicine, opening up exciting new possibilities for scientific exploration.